Well, today, Monday, consumers are still a bit cynical. The good news is that the University of Michigan's final July index of consumer sentiment improved from its 72.0 preliminary reading to a final mark of 72.3. Still, that does represent a 2012 monthly low for the gauge, which had finished June at 73.2.
In year-over-year terms, things look sunny. New home sales were up about 15% in June compared with June of 2011, and pending home sales were about 9.5% improved from a year before. June reports from the Census Bureau and National Association of Realtors were respectively gloomy, however. New home sales dropped an alarming 8.5% after 2 months of gains, and contracts to purchase existing homes decreased about 1.5%.
The federal government's second estimate of Quarter 2 GDP, which was a positive 1.5%, represents the tamest growth since the third quarter of 2011. June's durable goods orders beat forecasts, registering a 1.6% increase. By the way, economists polled by Briefing.com had predicted a gain of 0.3%.
The Dow logs the best 3 days of the year. How can that happen, you might ask? 2 words: renewed hope. Thursday, European Central Bank President Mario Draghi said the ECB would do whatever is needed to save the euro. Friday, Draghi was reportedly talking with Germany's central bank about coordinated sovereign debt purchases. So the Dow up almost 2% to 1375, the NASDAQ about 1.2% to 2958, and the S&P about 1 3/4 to 1385. All did well last week. COMEX gold rose 2.25% last week, down Friday at 16.18. Oil settled in at 90.13 a barrel. This price has slipped about 1.9% across the 5 days.
Well, we've got another busy week this week as earnings season continues today, Monday.
And on tomorrow, Tuesday, June spending data and May's Case-Shiller home price index arrive.
The markets will be watching Washington closely on Wednesday as the Federal Reserve policy meeting ends. We'll also be getting July's ISM manufacturing index data as well as July auto sales figures.
Many people are wondering, will the ECB make a move when its policy meeting concludes on Thursday? Stateside, that brings the latest initial jobs claims and data on June factory orders.
Wrapping up the week on Friday, the June jobs report and ISM's June service sector index appear. That's what we're looking at this week. My name is Eric Hagen.
And I'm Greg Petrie.
We'll keep our finger on the pulse of the economy and report back to you next Monday.
So please be sure to subscribe. We'll talk with you then.